Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the screen of gestures of realme 8i smartphone. Okay, so the first method is just double tap to turn on the screen like this, and again double tap to turn it off. Just double tap to turn it on and again double tap to turn it off. And if the screen is off, draw O like this to open camera. Just agree and continue. Okay, allow permissions, and you can see when the screen is off, just draw O like this to open the camera, and when the screen is off, draw V to turn on or off the flashlight like this, or you can use the power key to turn off the flashlight. Just draw V to turn on and off the flashlight. So guys, this is the screen of gestures in realme 8i smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.